Late night feeding session. Well, so right now he may be a little milk drunk. As you can see. Oh wait, now he's looking for it. Hold on. Here. So now he's back to eating. Putting his arm out. All right. This boy is greedy, I tell you. I think he's done, so I'm going to try and... What, on y'all TV? Alright, you gotta hold on, okay? I'm gonna try to burp him. Wait, you already watching it on my TV. What are you talking about? Oh, he does want to watch it on y'all TV? Alright, just hold on a second, okay? I gotta get a burp out of Big Man because if not, he's gonna be very fussy. Yep. That little thing. Well, he did just have like a snack anyway, so he had a little sip of milk and now he's like, I'm okay. And close it because I can see it reflected on the ceiling. Put my mirror up. I'm gonna kick his butt. He's playing with my makeup mirror. But I think that's it. I think that's all the burps I'm gonna get for tonight. It's another snack time. Because he's getting bigger. So, he's been having some bottles with oatmeal because the milk just wasn't enough. But not a lot and not every time I give it to him. But then when I do give him the boob, then he's fine. I'm like, oh, you're just growing. He's just getting bigger. Mia, can you give me that oil from behind the TV? His cradle cap is like kicking. Boy, his hair is so dry. I can't wait to get him a baby bonnet. I'm gonna just get it just to keep it moisturized because it looks like it's so itchy. Oh, it's over there. Look, right near your picture. So, thanks for watching, guys. Me and my beautiful baby boy. But, yeah, that's it. A quick breastfeeding snack time type of thing again, but for nighttime. So this right here, this days right here is he's milk drunk and he's about to fall asleep once I lay him back on me. Mia, Jemai, put that stuff down. And yeah, y'all get out. I'm gonna put something on your TV. Get out. Give me Zai's brush and comb. Well, yeah, his brush and his comb right there, please. All right, we're out.